Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
So how are you all?
Fine, sir.
So students, in previous class we read about what? We know how to write four-digit numbers. How to write four-digit numbers in words and in how to write in words. Can you write the numbers again? Okay. If I take one example here. Sampath, read this number.
470.
Only this. 70. Now read this.
370.
300. Now
400.
again
4,030.
again you read this number.
370.
Now read
400.
for
1,370.
again say loudly
4,370.
4,370. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So can you identify the place?
Let's what?
Place.
Sir.
Zero is in which place?
Sir. Sir.
Tell Arman.
Sir. 0. 1. Sir. Unit place.
Zero is in unit place.
Yes, sir. 1.
Then 7,
7.
3
100.
and 4. So again this is ones place, this is tens place, 100 place, and this is thousand place. Now we are able to read and write the numbers. So again this number you write down in your notebook. You come here and write. Yeah, in words. Yes, in class sir. You write down in the notebook. Yes, in class sir. Write fast. Yes, there you write. Write down everyone. Don't look at the blackboard. You write by yourself. Class sir, what you write? Written everyone? So, about introduction of four-digit number, we already read in online classes. So this is your revision. Revise all these things. You already saw in online classes. Stand there. Very good. Very good. What is the spelling of 100? Yeah, very good. So, sit down. So this 6 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, 3 is in hundred place, and 9 is in thousand place. So when you write a number in words, you should start from always from your which place, which side? From your left side. So 9, first read this 9. It is present in which place? Thousand place. So 9,000. Then 3 is present in which place? 100 place. So 306. So this is you write in words. So these things we already read in previous class. So now today we will read about expanded form and standard form. All of you know what is expanded form and standard form? Can you tell what is expanded form? What do you mean by expanded? What is the meaning of expand? Sampath, what is the meaning of expand? Others? Mallikarjun, Arman, Devika. Expanded. What is the meaning of expand? All of you saw rubber. Rubber, you saw rubber. This, not this rubber, elastic. Girls are using to bind his hair, elastic. This elastic you saw. If you do like this elastic, then it will be large. Then if you leave, then it will be small. When you stretch this elastic, that is called expand. You expand the elastic. If you don't know about this, then think about it. All of you play balloons, gubbara. Balloons. You know? Balloons को भी फुलाया गुब्बारा. When you गुब्बारा के अंदर जब हवा भरते हो, balloons के अंदर हवा भरते हो ना, फूंक मार के. जब भरते हो क्या होता है वो? ढप हो जाता है. फिर गुब्बारा फुलाना कैसे होगा? पहले गुब्बारा छोटा रहता है, उसके अंदर हवा भरते हो. जब हवा भरते हो क्या होता है? गुब्बारा बड़ा हो जाता है. जब बड़ा होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? एक्सपांड हो गया. उसके ऊपर जो हवा हो रहा है वो एक्सपांड किया. एक वीडियो में नहीं देखा एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म में? मैं गुब्बारा फुला के दिखा रहा था, बोला था ना एक्सपांड हो रहा है वो. So this is expand. Then what is the expand in number? Expanded form in a number. Yes. Expanded form and standard form. Expanded form and standard form. For expanded form you give more space, and for standard form little space. After I write you should write. Listen. Expanded form of number means how do you expand a number? Understood? How do you expand a number? If I take one example here, 3985. Is it 3985? Wait, after I am writing, you should write. Now only look at here. Stop writing. Look at here. Devika, Sampath. What I write here? 3985. So, how can you write this number in expanded form? All of you know about place. Am I right? So 5 is in unit place or ones place. Sampath. 8 is in tens place. 9 is in tell 3000 place. So according to their place, you should write in expanded form. So first we should start from 1000 place. Here is 3. So 3 is in which place? So you should write 3000. Because 3 is in the 1000 place. So you write 3000. Then next number what is? 9. So 9 is in which place? So you write 900. Then you put addition symbol. Then 8 is in which place? So you write 80. Then 5. So 3 is in 1000 place. So I write 3000. Later you can write 3000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 5. So this is the expanded form of this number. Am I right? This is the expanded form of this number. So this is called expanded form and this is called standard form of a number. And this standard form of a number you write in expanded form. How can you write? You understood? Can you write another one? Then write. Write this number 6582 in expanded form. Write fast. Mallikarjun. Fast one also write. You write here. Comment right here. Very good. Very good. Good. You written? So this number is written in standard form and you write in expanded form. So another trick is there. You can write easily. Let's see. I already told in online classes. Can you remember this? Let's see again. $9,761 is there. See here. How can you write? First is 9. So you write 9. After 9, see here Sampath. After 9, how many places there? 3. Then you put 3 0. Then after which number is there? 7. Then after 7, how many digits is there? 2. Then put 2 0. Then 6. Write 6. After 6, how many digits is there? 1. Then how many 0 I put? 0. Then 1 remaining 1. So is it expanded form? So what is the question here? Look carefully. The numbers are given in standard form. Already standard form I give you. You should convert standard form to expanded form. When numbers are given in standard form, then you converted these numbers into expanded form. Now think about this. If expanded form means given, then how can you write these numbers in standard form? Write down. Write these numbers only. Let's try. Here all the numbers is given in expanded form. So how can you write in standard form? If I take here another number, wait. Come. Wait. Write down this. Do in the cursor. Do this in the cursor. Very good. Is it right, Devika?
Yes, sir.
Come. How can you write? You already written. Wait. Next question you do. Right. You understood how he did? How he did? There are also two methods. You can use. First is, which symbol is given here? Which symbol is it?
Addition symbol.
Which symbol is it?
Addition.
This is. So all numbers are added.
Yes, sir.
Add here.
Yes, sir.
So all of you know how to add. Then you add all the numbers here. Then how do you add? First you write the bigger number, that is 8,000. Then 700. Where you write 700? Where you write 700? Can you write here 700? Is it right? Why? Because in 8,000 where is unit place? This is unit place. In 700 where is unit place? This is unit place. Am I right? So I already told when you are doing addition and subtraction, unit place should be down on unit place. Unit place के नीचे unit place रहना चाहिए, नहीं तो तुम्हारा addition and subtraction क्या होगा? Wrong हो जाएगा. So right, 800 तो 700 कहाँ पे लिखूंगा? यहाँ पे. अभी देखो unit place के नीचे unit place रह गया. Then which number? 10. Where are I 10? Here because unit place के नीचे unit place रहना चाहिए. Then 3. Now add all these numbers. 0, 0, 3, 1, 7, 8, 8,730. Understood? Then do another one. Wait. Who can do this? Do fast. You do in your classroom. What I write and what you do? All. Is it right? You write. Sit down in your place. Very good. Not. Sit down in your place. It's wrong. Wrong, yes. Sit down in your place. Now, Devika, go and eat. Come, Arman. Very good. Several clap for Devika. So how we did? You can simply add the numbers. You can simply add all the numbers. How can you add? Write 4,000. Then 30 is there, not 300. So where do you write 30 here? Am I right? Then 6. Add 4,036. Got it? And another method is there. Let's see second method. It is very easy. See here. How many digits is there? How many digits is there, Sampath? Here? Here? So highest digit is 4 digit. So you put 4 dash. Okay. Because there are 4 digits. So you put 4 dash. Then now where is 4? See here carefully. This is tricky. 1, 2, 3, 4. In fourth position 4 is there. So count here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. So here you write 4. Got it? Then 30. Where is 30? In first, second position. Where are you looking? In second position is 3. Then write 1, 2, here 3. Then 6 is in first position. So write here. Here only blanks means you put 0. So 4,036 is your answer. Got it, everyone? Okay, do another one. Who can do this? Sit in your place. Sit in your place. Do this fast. Hmm. Yes, that one. Right. Very good. Where will you write the questions? Huh? You don't write any questions. You see. Do. Sit down. You add the numbers. You add all the numbers. Addition. How you come to there? कैसे क्या मैंने बोला? एडिशन करके ना? तो एडिशन करो, कहाँ कर रहे हो एडिशन? मैं कैसे नीचे नीचे लेके एडिशन किया? वैसे करो. मैं एडिशन उधर कैसे किया? वो देख के करो एडिशन. एडिशन करके दिखाओ कैसे किया? Wrong. Do addition. Addition. Why do you do? Why simply say addition? Addition कैसे किया मैंने उधर? वैसे एडिशन करो ना. सीट है. ठीक है. इधर क्या क्या? कहाँ देख रहे थे? एडिशन कैसे कर रहा था मैंने? मैंने डैश डाल के कैसे कर रहा था? Do addition. Do addition. एडिशन करके आंसर नहीं निकालना है. When I am teaching something in your class, look here only. Don't look here and there. Understood? What I did here? This question I did, right? Here 8,000 is there. See carefully. Then write 8,000. Then 700 is there. Then I write 700. Then 10 is there. Then I write 10. Then 3 is there. Then I write 3. And see another thing here. Look here. So here when I writing these numbers, all unit place should be in a line. सभी यूनिट प्लेस एक लाइन में है ना? ऐसे लिखना है. इसके बाद एडिशन तो आता है. कैसे करते हो एडिशन? 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 कितना आएगा? 0 plus 0 plus 1 कितना आएगा? 0 plus 7 कितना आएगा? 8. तो क्या आएगा आंसर? क्या लिखा मैंने आंसर? 8,713. पता चला कैसा किया? तो ये वाला करके दिखाओ. Sit silently. When you finish, sit silently. Where is your addition symbol? See, there we go. Do addition like this. Write 7,000 then down 400 then down to 8. Do addition. Wrong. Where you write the numbers? Nonsense. How many times I told you? When I am doing something, then you look here and there. Then you can understand. What is the number here?
7,000.
Then write 7,000. You should write the numbers properly when you are doing addition. See here, both of you. 7,000. Give some space in numbers. Then you write these numbers properly. Silent. Look here. Don't write anything. Then after 7,000, which number is there? 400. How many digits is there? Count. How many digits? 3 digits. So when you start writing from here or here? 3 digit है ना? तो यहाँ से निकालने जब फिर जब आएगा? Then write 400. अभी देखो मैंने 400 कैसे लिखा? संपर्क बाद में लिख सकते हो। ब्लैकबोर्ड में से कहीं पे नहीं जा रहा है, इधर ही रह रहा है ब्लैकबोर्ड। 400 कहाँ पे लिखा देखो? ये 0 के नीचे 0, ये 0 के नीचे 0, ये 0 के नीचे 4। कैसे लिखा देखे? इधर क्या स्टार्ट किया मैंने 400 नहीं ना, यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया। क्यों? This is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 place. इसका ये 7,000 का गया, 400 का, this is ones place, this is tens place, and this is 100 place. So ones place के नीचे ones place, tens place के नीचे tens place, 100 place के नीचे 100 place. उसके बाद क्या है? 2 है। 2 कहाँ लिखूंगा बताओ? यहाँ यहाँ पे लिखूंगा। एक ही नंबर है, मींस वंस प्लेस है ना, तो इधर वंस प्लेस कौन सा है? ये वाला प्लेस क्या है? वंस, ये टेंस, ये 100, ये 1000 प्लेस। तो 2 वंस प्लेस में है, तो कौन से बॉक्स में रहेगा? वंस बॉक्स कौन सा है? ये ना, तो यहाँ पे 2 लिखूंगा, तो अभी ऐड कर दो। पता चला कैसे लिखना है? 0 + 0 + 2 कितना आएगा? 2। योर संपर्क। देन व्हाई यू टेलिंग आंसर? 0 + 0 + 2 कितना आएगा? 2। हाँ। देन 0 + 0 0। देन 0 + 4 देन 7 के नीचे कुछ है क्या? तो ये डायरेक्ट नीचे आ जाएगा, मींस उधर 7 ही रहेगा। क्या है आंसर? रीड इट। समझ में आया अभी? अभी नेक्स्ट कर सकते हो? हाँ, डू इट फास्ट, डू इट फास्ट। व्हाई डिड नॉट राइट क्वेश्चंस? Another question right? Do this. Why standing? Sit down. Sit down. Understood how to do addition and do? Right. हाँ. Very good. But who write the questions total? Who write the question? मैं एडिशन दे रहा हूँ करने के लिए, नहीं ना? तो लिखो एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म में ये क्वेश्चन था, एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म में ये लिखे, वो कौन लिखेगा? Do fast. हाँ, like this you did in your class, that like this you do. When you write 30, then write. Hmm. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. Then. Hmm.
Correct, sir.
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Come. So this is expanded form and standard form. If the number is given in expanded form, then you can write in standard form. If the number is given in standard form, then also you can write in expanded form. So now open the textbook. What? Open your textbook. First page. First page. Question number 1 you see. What is written? Read. Where is your textbook? You did not. You did not take textbook. Why? You take first. Question number 1 read. Sampot. Sorry. Others read. Question number 1. Question number 1. What is written? You read first. Don't touch. What is written in question? You read first. Write these numbers in their standard form. Standard form. So can you write these numbers in standard form now? So once again do it in the homework part. This question. This is homework part you did. In homework part you read this question once again. Yes. Listen students. Listen students. So you get sufficient time now. So don't waste time in your home. Read properly. Okay. Thank you.